big Sosa, fat fishing, slab, big slab. Get the camera out my face and let fish fish. Y'all see it? Big bait Sosa. We out here catching these bluegills today. Fat fishing, man. I'm sorry I ain't been doing my thing. I know it's supposed to be what, season 3. But I'm still fishing, y'all, but I'm doing a lot of other work, man. But yeah, you got your boy Big Bait Sosa. Another bluegill. Somebody gonna eat this thing up, man. I don't know who. You? Y'all know what it is. Big bait Sosa, man. Fat fish. Come here. That hurt. Oh, yeah. Trying to do too much. That's my fault right there. See, we gonna leave that in there. I guess that's yeah, bro. Right? You good, bro. Hey, you know what you need to take. Bait. It's all good. That off. Come here. This right to it. Look thick one. Look thick one. What that is right there? Good eating. Y'all see it. Fat fishing, man. Get the camera out my face. Y'all see, even a professional lose fish, man. That was a good bite. Big Bait thought he had one, y'all. God, come back later. Got him. Got him. Okay. Ooh. Fat little perch. Come out. Open that mouth. Wanna be on TV? Wanna be on TV? Tell the people what's up. Tell them, hey, tell them you're on the Fat Fishing Show. Yeah. Get them out of here. So, another way you can know when it's first bite, when they coming in, their forehead look big for some reason. Oh, they do look big. See how their forehead look? We bring one in. When it's coming in, you see how it go down? His forehead up here, then it go down. When they coming in, it just look like they ain't got no face really. But he got a face. Uh-huh. What you see? You see some white bread and some grease then. Give y'all a good look, cause I'm a big person. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's go. Well, I think the thing is, I may make it look small, but get it to you close to see how thick she really is. She thick. Man, get that camera out my face, man. Bertha. This is what we call Big Bertha in Carolina right here. Y'all don't know, when I say Big Bertha, this is what I mean. Look at Big Bertha. Look at her. Show them your ass. There you go. Look how thick Big Bertha is. Come on. Look at that. Come on, Big Bertha, get your shine. And we'll be right back. Oh, you ate. I like when you eat like that. You hungry? My people hungry too. Guess what? We gonna be food for everybody. You good. Gonna be on camera with his friend. He was real sharp, but I'll touch it. Nope. You recording me messing up? It's all good.